I want to inspire you to get more out of traveling by bringing less. Let's stop checking bags. Lighter travel is gonna be happier travel. Between luggage in the bin and a bag underneath your seat, that's a lot of space. It's all about just packing the right stuff. That personal item underneath the seat can be very roomy, like this duffel that meets the maximum requirements. Overhead luggage sizes are pretty standard, but I like to go for the larger sizes to maximize all that room. And a suitcase with that expander can give you that bonus room for a little shopping. I used to have to travel with all the comforts of home, but instead, consider what your hotel or Airbnb will provide and save a little bit of space. Every trip is gonna be different, but try to bring the most versatile items that you'll actually use and wear. I started to be more efficient when I would come back from trips and realized how many items I didn't even use. Like stick with one hoodie instead of two. I didn't even wear this one. With so many airlines charging for checked bags, limiting yourself keeps money in the bank.